What are you kidding me? It got rid of my flowers! No. But hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We are playing as a goose, an Untitled Goose game yet again, and I'm still on my week-long trip, so hello future Mavis. And we're back. It apparently got rid of all of my good progress. All of my progress. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay. So... this is terrible. Okay. So we have our secret entrance. So... Oh my god, grab the flower and run. Grab the flower and run. Oh, there wasn't a pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. Fall on the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. And flop like a fish. SpongeBob SquarePants. Fall on the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay, that was so amazing, and I loved it. But I went like this and went, oh, who lives in a pineapple under this? Oh, no. Okay, I know. The flower can wait. Oh my god, this is gonna be so hard. Okay, if we score a goal. No, actually, the goose has a wide stance. No. No, I'm not in here. Please, roll away. Roll away. Okay, see, I'm not in here. This is actually not that hard. Wait, can I grab it? No, I can just peck at it. No. I was about to say, don't go in. Okay. I can just peck at it. Okay. I'm just a goose with a soccer ball. Nothing strange. Nothing strange at all. Hopefully no one tries to take it. Come on. Go. Nope. Okay. This might be a little tricky for our goose on the loose here. Well, if we keep it on the side, and then we might have a good chance. Okay. I hate having to move balls like this in games. It's pretty annoying. Okay, oh my god, I just ran on top of the ball. We need to push the ball this way, like so. Yes. And then we need to get the ball to go this way. Okay. This is not, okay, if I bat it a little bit. Bat. Okay, nope. Uh-oh. No, okay. Bat, no. Do not put the ball back in there. Do not put the ball back in there. Uh-oh, where'd the ball go? Okay, keep it. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. Nope. No! Bet the ball. Okay, yes. Okay. We just gotta keep it going. We just gotta keep the chaos going. Open it. Okay. We're good. Let's go ahead. What is that? What's that dot? Oh, that's my mouse. I don't know why that happened. Come on. Go in there. Ooh, okay. Okay. No, my soccer ball. Oh no. I guess if he puts it over the fence, then it would kind of work out. There we go. Oh my god, thank you. No. Thank you, man, for kind of helping me. No. Okay. Thank you for helping me do this. It's fine. I'm not doing anything. No. Keep the ball. Okay. Come on. Alright. Get the ball. Oh, no, no, no. No. Okay. Okay, we got the ball. Oh my god, are you guys ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? No, 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 don't go in there. Hold on, let me take a photo. Hold on. Let me get a good photo. No, 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 no. Okay. We have to forget about photos in this terrible time of crazy chaos. There we go. This is good. This is good. Put in there. Yay! We scored a goal! Yes! Okay. Now, we need to... Okay, we scored a goal. That's really awesome. We need... Oh, cabbage picnic! That's gonna be so hard. Okay. We need a tulip, a lily, a rose, a daisy, and a chrysanthemum. This is gonna be quite hard. But we can't dress up the bus from things outside the back gardens. What if... Oh! What if I take the old man's woolen hat and put it on the bust? That would actually be amazing. If I could do that. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I need to stop singing songs. I'm gonna get a copyright claim if I keep doing this. Lol. Okay. Don't shake me. We got into the pub for a 15th time. Okay. How are we gonna steal the old man's woolen hat? Old man. Let me out. Come on. Ooh! Give it to me. How dare you? Okay. Oh, the bells rang yet again. I would have to reset to get this to go. Haha, you can't get me. Oh. I love making the goose go. We can ruin all of his rings. Yeah, no, we do not want them. Oh my god, yes. Grab a start. No! Woo, yes! Ha! You can't get me. What if I rest up your cheer? Ha! Hey, give me your chair. And give me your chair again. Hey! Ha! I keep making you drop your chair. Give me that. Nope. My ring. Okay, let's watch him throw a ring and let me catch it. Awesome. Oh no, don't clean up the rings. Give to me. Come on. Perfect. Okay, yeah. Ooh, I still don't know how to make the old man fall on his bum. Come on. You don't care if I grab the rings? Ha! Hilarious. Oh. How dare you! Give me that chair! Oh, what if I took his chair? That would be awesome. Hey. Hey. Oh my god, what are you doing here? Give it to me. Ha. Nope. Give it to me. Yeah. Oh my god, I love to cause chaos. Get out! Ah, got me these. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. You like me, right? Okay, he doesn't care. I mean, what are you gonna do? What do you do when you look at me? Nothing? Okay. Awesome. Wait. Are you guys ready? Flight mode. Oh. Whoop. Come on, put him on there. Yay! Yes, yes, yes. Sit down. I'm not gonna do anything, you little perp. Come on. Come on. Come along. Come along. Wait, can I? Come on, just sit down. Come on. Yes, yes. 1, 2, 3. Darn! Okay, I did 1, 2, 3, so maybe we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then grab it. Okay. I think I kind of understand. Just sit down! Don't make me open my wings. Come on. Sit down. Come on. Sit down. Oh my god! I accidentally touched my mouse. I didn't mean to do that. I wanna see, what can I... Run, bend, wings. What is zoom? Run, bend, wings, zoom? I'm not... What? That's kind of cool. Just keyboard and mouse. Look and do trauma. Crouch, flap, zoom in, zoom out. Run, grab, honk, crouch. Oh, okay. It's kind of weird. We can do the keyboard and mouse. How do we honk? Space. I'm using the space button. Okay, you guys ready? Yeah. Awesome. Let's try the controller button. Oh, wrong. Wait. Okay. Okay, that was actually quite awesome. Okay, I'm just a goose. I'm just a goose on the loose. Nothing weird about me over here. I'm just a goose on the loose. Nothing weird over here. Just sit down. Sit down. Sit your butt on to the chair. 1, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3. No! Get up. Get up. Get up. Sit down. Sit down. Sit on your chair. Why is this so difficult? Come on. Why is this so difficult? I betcha I could search up how to cook a hamburger before you would sit down. How long do you have to look at me to know that I'm a goose? How long do you have to stand there and do nothing? That doesn't do anything if you just do nothing. Oons, 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 oons. Okay, come on. 1. Darn! How? Hey! Okay, I'm giving up on this. It's just too hard. So we need to dress up the thing from the bus from outside the back garden. Still don't know how to do the wooden boat. Well, I mean, not the wooden boat. Still don't know how to do steal the old man's woolen hat. Darn. Bummer. Can I grab her glass? Ha. That is amazing. Are you kidding? I need to... Yes. Okay. Shoot. How do I get her to go over there? Come on. Turn on the water. Come on. I have to wait for it to overflow. Go. No, 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 no! I have to go. I have to go. No, no, no. Just come over here. It's fine. You are fine. There is no goose here. There is no goose here. No, no, no. Come this way. Haha! I have finally stolen the toy boat. Now I just need to escape. No, no, no. I'm fine without you trying to take me away. Okay. I'm good now. We are good! Okay. Now I need to go, I'm guessing the bridge is over here. Would this be sailing the toy boat under the bridge? No. How would I need to do that? Do I need to push it? Sail the toy boat under the bridge! Yay! We did it! Okay. That's one less thing that we need to do. Okay, we need to get all the flowers. Come on. Oh my god, so satisfying. Come on. Oh, amazing. Got the gardener. Get out of here, gardener. Get the shovel out of here, too. Okay, we can... Oh, so satisfying! Oh, amazing. Let me get the last part. That's awesome. And then we need to take this off. Get out of here. Come on. Pull us. Oh, awesome. Okay. I need the flour. And I need to take this all the way back to the... I was about to say all the way back home. I mean, I need to take the flour all the way back to the wishing well. If I go this way, can I do anything? Oh my god! What's over here? Oh. Oh, did we make it? No! It's the gardener! How dare. Wait, actually, I want to let him get the flower. I want to see what he's going to do. No? Are you going to take the flower from me? If it's not yours, do you care? No, he does not care. That works out very nicely. Works out very nicely. Yes, yes. Darn. Okay. We're gonna have to go all the way back this way. Bummer. Okay. So, I spent way too long trying to get the old man to fall on his bum that I forgot about our real objective. Okay. We are looking for a lily. We are looking for a flower. Wait. Is that it? Hold on a minute. Is that the flower? We found the flower! Oh my god, this is not a drill. This is not a drill. We found the flower. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. We actually found the flower that we had no idea where it was. You're kidding. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. I've actually been wanting to propagate one of these before. I've been wanting to propagate one of these because, I don't really think it's called a lily, but it has like, it looks just like this. Oh my gosh, that's actually quite crazy. But we can put all of the flowers in there before we leave for the day, so we can get that crossed out. Awesome. I looked at that and I'm like, is that the flower we're looking for? But we found it. That's amazing. We can go ahead and put the flower in here. Come on, there we go. Is that the lily? That is the lily. Awesome. Okay, I need to go back this way. Hold on. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, I'm gonna go back this way, and we have to get her to prune the prize rose. Get out of here. We have to get her to prune the prize rose. Yay and not yay at the same time. Okay. Not like it matters if he sees me or not, but I just like to play tricks. Can I pick it from across? No, I cannot pick it from across. Let me pull it. Can I help you? Yes, yes, I'm going to peck. I'm gonna peck it. And then, yep, she's gonna grab her stuff. And I'm gonna pull. Make someone prune the prize rose. And we have to take it. And we have to take it back. Then we have to take it back to the well area. I thought I just heard bells again, and I'm like, oh my god, we've been here for too long. So yeah, we have to take this all the way back over here. The scoring the goal one was not as hard as I thought it would actually be. It was actually kind of fun, but kind of like annoying at the same time. Okay. We've got the flowers. Okay, we got the rose. Okay, now we need a daisy, a chrysanthemum, and a tulip. That's actually kind of a lot. Okay. We need the daisy. How did I escape before? Oh my god. Dear Lord. Okay. Come on. Put it in there. Yes, grab the box. Yes, yay, she put the other box down. I'm just a little confused on how he cannot smell me. I'm right underneath his nose. Come on, go a little faster, and I'm out. Oh my god, are you kidding me? He actually saw me. That's kind of... I did not mean to do that. Yep, say darn and leave. Thank you. Bye. Okay. I need to get a flower. Hello? Thank you. I would like my flower now. Gimme. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, ladies. Thank you just so darn much. Okay. I need the man over here. Come on. I need the man. The man! I need the man over here. Okay. And while she's going that way... Oh, no, 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 no! I need to jump in the water. No! No! That is a crime. You're not gonna follow me. See? Wimp. Okay. Whew, that was quite scary. Okay. We need a chrysanthemum. think the chrysanthemum is, I think I left the, did I leave it? I think I left it. No, that's her. Oh my god, there's blue ribbon still there. I think I left it. Yes, I can open it. There we go. Let me go grab the chrysanthemum. It kind of worked out that, I found the lily. Didn't even mean to find the lily, but I did. So, yes. Okay. Is the tulip still over here? Yes. Okay. I need to grab the tulip. This is actually quite stressful because my audio recording will end after I reach 30 minutes. So, we're getting a little far away. We're getting a little close to that mark. Let's go ahead. Put the flower. Oh my god, we have just one more. We just need one more and then we'll have completed this task. This is amazing. Come on. Oh, we got a plant pot. Didn't know we had a plant pot. Okay, come on. My hands are getting too sweaty. I'm scared. I'm scared that the video is gonna end before me. Come on. We just need one more flower, then we're done. We just need one more flower, and I'll probably do like two more Tales of the Bonus Honks. I don't know, maybe one more long Tales of the Bonus Honks. One where we just go crazy and try to get everything. Yes. Yeah, I hope you're having a really good time on your week-long trip, future Mavis. Alright, come on. It's the last one, and then we can end the video. It's the last one, and then end the video. Come on. Yay! We collected the 5 flowers! But if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe because I had such a fun time making it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye! Oh.